Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by going straight to sound quality and effects in Settings or the Samsung Music Equalizer. This gives you access to the 510 band controls you need. Make sure your device is on a flat surface and set the master volume to about 50% so you can hear changes without clipping. Once done, choose any preset as a starting point, bass boost, or custom, because presets let you compare how much low end you'll add. Now proceed to manual band adjustments. Now focus on the low-frequency bands, around 60 Hz for deep sub-bass, 120 Hz for punch, and 250 Hz for warmth. You raise each band gradually, think plus 2 dB steps, and listen after each change. Rapid boosts introduce muddiness. If your equalizer has a Q or bandwidth control, widen the Q for smoother bass or narrow it for focused punch. Make sure to compare with and without the boost, so you know why each tweak improves or harms the sound. Finish by saving your work as a custom preset so you can revert if needed. Name it clearly and keep a neutral preset too. Test with several songs and across outputs, headphones, phone speaker, and car stereo, because bass translates differently. Make micro adjustments. Dial back the sub-band or the overall gain if something sounds boomy. If you hear distortion, immediately reduce the boosted bands or master volume. That single troubleshooting step usually solves clipping and preserves clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.